Today on this section of Homegrown, I'm going to talk about how you select a watermelon and a cantaloupe to figure out which one is going to taste the best for you. So for a watermelon, what you don't do is thump it. It doesn't work very well because you have all different types of melon shapes and different qualities. So instead what you look for a good watermelon is you want to make sure it has that nice, what we call the ground spot, this yellow section here. And of course what you also want to look for is not to have little bits of decay. And always look for a good shape. This one is supposed to be round, sometimes they're oval shaped. The only time you want to put a watermelon in the refrigerator is a few hours before you're ready to eat it to make it nice and cold and sweet, or if it's been cut. Otherwise, they just don't like being in the cold. They'll get little spots all over them and they start to lose their color. For cantaloupe, it's a very different thing. You want to have even netting. But for a good looking cantaloupe, I like to see this is the stem end here. And here it's kind of a belly button look to it. This is, to me, says this is picked when it still had most of its stem attached. So it's probably going to be a little less ripe than one that has the full piece taken out of here. If you want a fully ripe cantaloupe, it should have this yellow color all over it. I prefer my cantaloupe sweet, and for me, sweet means it's going to be fully yellow. Some people like them a little bit tougher, so they're crunchier, and in that case, you would want one that's more green. If it's green like this one is, what you're going to want to do is keep this on your countertop at room temperature, and when it starts to get soft and yellow, and it probably will get more fragrant, then it's time to eat it. If you still don't want to eat it or you don't have a chance, when it starts to turn soft, then put it in your refrigerator. Once it's in the refrigerator, this guy can last probably another 4 or 5 days.